Extremely packable and darn tough, the Expedition will make you rethink the way you carry water. At 8 liters, the Expedition is perfect for car camping or water for your base camp. The wide-mouth 63mm screw cap makes it easy to fill, pour, and is backcountry water filter compatible. Plus, it features our plug-and-play system, so you can insert the included dispensing tap or hydration tube for added versatility. It's easy to carry and hang with a flexible webbing handle. There are 2 strips of low-profile daisy chain for lash points. Designed with dual baffles for stability and freestanding when full. And the external capacity gauge allows you to track your hydration intake or measure out the contents. Made of ultra-durable, abrasion-resistant, waterproof nylon TPU film laminate, so you can throw it anywhere and then just wipe it clean. It features RF welded seams for superior durability and elasticity. It's 100% BPA and PVC free and backed by our Beyond guarantee. When empty, simply flatten, roll, wrap with the tether, and secure to the cap with the dust guard insert. So whether you're headed out on a road trip cross-country or spending weeks on the trail, the Expedition offers hydration for the duration.
Make your next adventure a little more comfortable with the ultralight sleeping pad from Sleepingo. Roughing it doesn't mean you have to get a rough night of sleep. Take the pad on any trip for a better rest. Inflate it fast and easy with just 10 to 13 breaths. 2 inches of thickness keep you well above the ground and supported in any position, even on your side. Made with ripstop nylon, the pad is durable and waterproof to hold up against the elements. The air cells of the pad contour to your body for optimal support and comfort. Rest easy on your next adventure with the Sleepingo Ultralight Sleeping Pad.
This is the award-winning LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. It can go here, every day and on your favorite adventures. Really. Ultra lightweight and portable. You can drink water from here, practically anywhere. And it's been trusted by outdoor experts, survivalists, and emergency response workers since we started. Drinking water straight from these sources sound risky? It's not. With this technology, water passes through a membrane microfilter with microscopic pores that removes bacteria, parasites, microplastics, sand, silt, and sediment. The membrane microfilter lasts up to 1,000 gallons. Your purchase has impact. For every LifeStraw product purchased, a child in need receives safe water for an entire school year. Everyone needs safe water. Stay safe. Pack a LifeStraw.
Introducing the Wise Owl Outfitters Single Owl and Double Owl Hammock. Our hammocks are made of the highest quality materials. Although the nylon is very strong and can hold up to 500 pounds, it remains very soft. Similar to bed sheets, the higher the thread count, the softer the sheet. We use a silky smooth 210T nylon fabric for these hammocks, and our seams are stitched with triple interlocking stitching for ultimate security. You also have an attached bag that doubles as a storage pocket while inside your hammock. These hammocks come with 2 9-foot-long hammock straps with 10 different connection points combined. These allow you to easily hang your hammock anywhere in just a minute or so. To set up your hammock, find 2 trees that are about 12 to 20 feet apart and wrap the strap around the first tree. Put the end with several loops through the end with just 1 loop that also has the logo on it. Do the same on the other tree. Then grab your hammock and clip 1 carabiner to one of the loops on the strap. Repeat on the other end. If your hammock is hanging too low, you can adjust to another loop. Adjust the straps higher or lower on the tree. Or, if your trees are a little too close together, you can also wrap the strap around the tree more than once. Once your hammock is attached, you'll want to clear the area below it so there are no sticks or anything sharp. You also want to ensure that it is hanging at about 18 inches from the ground to easily get in and out of your hammock. Before you jump in, please test the connections and the setup by pushing down on the hammock with a lot of pressure and pulling at the straps on the trees. Best way to enter your hammock is stand in front of it and open it behind you. Sit down and then swivel to the side. The most comfortable way to lie in your hammock will be at an angle. The single owl is great for 1 person, and the double owl is perfect for 2 people or 1 person who wants a little more space. The single is 9 feet long by 4.5 feet wide, and the double is 10 feet long by 6.5 feet wide. We are Wise Owl Outfitters. Years ago, we set out to make an awesome, high-quality hammock at a reasonable price. Since our first hammock, we've expanded our product line to include many useful and eye-catching products under the Wise Owl brand. We're located in the beautiful state of Tennessee and take great pride in being a U.S. company. We strive every day to improve our design, technology, and processes to offer the best and most useful outdoor gear and products possible. We hope our gear can give you a reason to get outside and enjoy our beautiful world.
The Smith & Wesson SWA-24S is a tactical folding knife designed for the rigors of EDC carry. Perfect for constant use. The 3.1-inch serrated 7CR17 high-carbon stainless steel clip-point blade excels at slicing through just about any material. The black aluminum handle has strategically placed jimping and finger cutouts for a secure grip. Open the blade by way of the ambidextrous thumb knobs and the index flipper. This is the Smith & Wesson SWA-24S Extreme Ops Liner Lock Folding Knife, a quality tool designed for your most demanding needs.
Here's a quick guide on how to use your Coleman Classic propane stove. Always place the stove on a sturdy, flat surface. Open the lid and position the wind guards as desired. Make sure the pot support, which is the metal grate, is in place and both knobs are in the off position. Take the regulator and screw it into the stove until it is hand tight. Remove the plastic cap from the top of the propane bottle and screw the propane bottle into the regulator until it is hand tight. Make sure the propane bottle is tilted with the top facing up. Hold a lighted match or butane lighter near the burner and turn the knob so that the burner is on. Adjust the knob until the flame is blue with a hint of yellow on the tips. Repeat the previous steps to light the second burner. When finished, turn all burner control knobs to off, remove the propane bottle and regulator. Once everything cools, clean the stove, place the gold end of the regulator into the hole provided for secure storage, fold the wind guards, and store away. For more information, visit Coleman.com or download the Coleman app.
This is OmniCharge, the world's first smart power bank, designed by best-in-field power management experts that can charge any device. OmniCharge is fully equipped with AC/DC charging capabilities, as well as 2 rapid charging USB ports, and is the only power bank on the market with universal charging. Smart, powerful, compact. It is the only power bank you will ever need. OmniCharge is designed for the modern professional's mobile lifestyle. With this power bank, any space can become a workspace, and being tied to the wall socket is a thing of the past. You'll be able to get work done wherever you need without running out of battery. OmniCharge can power even the most demanding laptops, and is small enough to fit inside your everyday bag. The power bank's compact size means that you can carry it with you everywhere and never worry about running out of power while you're on the go. You don't have to carry an extra charger. The battery's universal charging port means that it can be charged with any cable already around you. OmniCharge can power an incredibly wide range of devices, and its smart power management system means that it can recognize which device it's charging and adjust the optimal output. The world's first battery with a brain. All data is displayed in real time, from battery temperature to remaining charging time. With OmniCharge, your device will be charged in the shortest possible time, allowing you to focus on what's important. This smart power bank can even be charged with a solar panel, and its unique flow-through capability allows you to charge other devices while the battery itself is being charged, totally freeing you from the wall socket. OmniCharge allows you to lead a truly mobile life and never miss an opportunity to create a warm atmosphere for family and friends. With OmniCharge, you can power the things that truly matter to you.